Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. It is Boxy Charm time, and Happy New Year to everybody. I just got this Boxy Charm like 10 minutes ago in the mail, so I have not opened it. I just cut the little plastic off right here. So let's dig in. I did see some spoilers on Instagram, so if you ever want to know what you're getting a little earlier, they do have some spoilers that they show on Instagram, BoxyCharm's Instagram. I'll leave it down below. You guys know that this is a $21 a month service. They also have the Boxy Luxe now. I think they run that every other month or every 2 months, something like that. I really don't know a lot about Boxy Luxe. I don't have Boxy Luxe. But we're gonna jump into the Boxy Charm. This month's theme is Boxy and Chill. And they have a cute little card inside that tells you all of the pricing and everything. So we're gonna jump right into it. The first thing I see here is Briogeo, and they are definitely friends of Boxy Charm because they've been in the box several times last year, possibly even the year before last. It says that this is the Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It's 2 ounces, and it's no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So I'm gonna try it out in my natural hair. I have tried their heat protectant before and blow dried flat iron. Everything was fine. I didn't see any problems. It smells very good, all of the products. Let's see what this one smells like. This one smells very nice as well. So I cannot wait to give that a try. The next product I have here in the box is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is from Ofra, and this is $20. And let me see, I may already have this shade, so it may be going, yes I do. I'm from Miami, Florida, and they gave me Miami Fever. I already have this one, so definitely look out for a giveaway because there are going to be several giveaways in the month of February. So this will be in there. I will not swatch it, will not touch it. It's there for a giveaway. The next product is called Billion Dollar Brows. This is a universal brow pencil. It says specifically and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application, and this is 18 bucks. So we've already surpassed the price of the box itself, and as you can see, there is a spoolie on the end. I'm going to get up close so you guys can see, and there is a shade. Let me see, what is this shade color? This is, it doesn't say, it just, I guess it just the universal color. I'm hoping I can wear it. It looks a little light. I'm hoping I could wear that. I like my brows like dark brown, not black, but dark brown, so we're gonna see. The next product in the box I was actually very excited about, waiting on. This is from Tarte, and this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 1. So I don't know, no, there are about 2 palettes, 2 or 3, I can't remember. But I have Volume 1, so let's open this up. This is 36 bucks. So beautiful packaging, nice and shiny. We're gonna open it and see what the colors look like. They look like nice neutral colors. And you see you have a nice mirror down there. I'm gonna definitely get up close again so you guys can see what it looks like. And I'm gonna also give you guys some swatches on my hand. So this is very cute. All of the shades look shimmery, so to me, I think all of them will make beautiful like one shadow eye looks. So we'll see. A nice lash and just one shade. I think it'll be beautiful. So I'm very excited about this one. I really wanted that one. I don't have many things from Tarte, so very glad to get that. And this product I have been waiting on. I was hoping it was going to be in my box. I'm very excited about it. This is Tatcha. I am in love with their skincare, but their skincare is very pricey, very, very expensive. I actually got a gift card and used it to purchase some of their stuff, and I fell in love. I got the, I think it was like the rice cleanser or something like that, and the water moisturizer. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. It says nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. I think each one of these retails for $24. Okay, and they're giving you 2 in your box this month. So I am super excited about this. It says it's for normal to dry skin, but guys, lately with the weather and everything, and I'm not saying that Miami gets cold or anything like that. Maybe it's just hormones, I don't know. But my skin has been a little dry and patchy in certain areas. So I'm definitely going to give this a try. You will see this on Instagram. So that is it in the BoxyCharm box this month. Please leave down below which BoxyCharm you got. I think they're changing out the lipstick. I want to say everybody's going to get the 2 Tatcha masks. I think they're going to get either volume 2 or 1 of the Tarte. You may get a different lipstick, and that's about it. I think everybody's going to get the Briogeo and the brow pencil. So I don't know. That's what I saw on some sneak peeks. So leave down below what you got. I'm very curious. Okay, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out my Cyber Kisses merch. You guys know I give you beautiful cyber kisses at the end of every video. And I decided to make that saying into some merch. Alright, so all of those links will be down below. Check them out. Also, if you want to come on over to Patreon and support me in that way, I would appreciate it as well. Cyber Kisses. Bye.